Professor Clarita Clarillo, PhD Vice Rector for Academic Affairs and Research, Reverend Father Pompeo de Mesa, OP, Regent of Faculty of Pharmacy, Professor Dr. Priscilla Torres, Dean of the Faculty of Pharmacy, Assistant Dean Maria Elena Manansala, Department Chairs, parents, guests, graduates, good morning. After 4 years, we are finally gathered on the steps of what we thought we'd never come to. After this day, we will begin a new chapter in our lives. And this chapter will lead us away from each other, but the memories to be shared will last forever. I guess that after the strains of final tests, credits and exams, not to mention the time-consuming graduation thesis and its nerve-wracking defense, most of us were looking forward to this moment when the study is over. The diploma is almost in your pocket, and you're free to do whatever you like. But I want you to look around you and remember this moment. Look at your classmates, seatmates, friends, and our professors, because from now on, life will lead us away from each other, and we will only meet at alumni parties or never at all. Have you ever been influenced by some important person that helped you to be the person you are today? Well, I guess you all have been. They are the ones who prominently impacted our lives. So bigyan niyo po ako ng pagkakataon na sabihin ito. Mom, Dad, I am proud to be your daughter. Please rise so that they can recognize you, please. Look at them. They are my wonderful parents. Sa 4D family, proud din ako na kayo yung ka-section ko, dating 3E. Please rise para makilala naman nila kayo. I love you guys. So to batch 2011, I hope your dreams will take you to the corners of your smiles, to the highest of your hopes, to the windows of your opportunities, and to the most special place your heart has ever known. Always remember that God plus UST equals children of unending grace. Always remember that a world is already waiting for us, so let us blaze the real world. On behalf of the Quadricentennial Batch 2011 graduates, may I request Professor Clarita Clarillo, PhD Vice Rector for Academic Affairs and Research, to confer to us the following degrees, namely Bachelor of Science in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology, Bachelor of Science in Biochemistry, and Bachelor of Science in Pharmacy, major in Clinical Pharmacy.
Thank you very much, Ms. Rivera.